Hey jerks, today we're gonna do another video. Anyway, time to get the cars out of the garage and out of the driveway and start the day. So one of the things I'm gonna do today is put this on the 90. Now I know a lot of you said that I should put this on the cum stain, and I did. Unfortunately, the way my turbo is seated, this actually touches, let me see if I can find out where it was, right here. This actually touches the wastegate mechanism, and you can see right here I fucked it up pretty good. And that would be fine. I wouldn't mind the fact that this scratches and touches, but it vibrates the entire car and it feels like garbage. So it's just not going to work out on the cum stain. So it's going to go on the 90, but it can't just go on the 90 like this. It has to be cleaned up a little bit and made to look presentable enough to be on the 90. So that's what I'm going to do while Jesus is over here doing his thing with his Lexus. So I think all I'm going to do is take these pieces off, kind of get some of the rust off and respray them, and then I'll probably do something to just shine those up a little bit. Can't really do a whole lot to the bar. The bar's pretty fucked up, but you know, I'll see what I can do. I'm not gonna do too much to it. Yeah, just make it pretty so it can go on and I won't be embarrassed. Alright, these pieces are mostly sanded down, gotten rid of all the disgusting rust, and now I'm just gonna Krylon paint. So this is Jesus's car. He's no longer a Miata bro.
I'm still a Miata bro.
No, he's a Lexus bro. What is this, a 1J?
2JZ.
2JZ.
GE.
GE?
Yeah.
So not a 2JZ?
No, it's not a 2JC GTE. It's a 2JC GE.
Mm.
Or in other words, a 2GAZ.
Still goes though, right?
Yeah.
Nice. And it's locked, of course, but because, you know, he's in the garage. Stick shift, that's rare.
It's stock.
Stock as fuck?
Yep.
All right. Well, so new life. At the crack?
Yep, the blue. Blue color.
Jose did this.
Yeah.
Except for the crack. He didn't do the crack. The crack was there. But the blue?
He made the crack bigger.
Did he?
Yep.
I hope he felt really bad.
Yeah, he was like, I'll pay for you.
Cool. All right. He's loose with his money. Well, here we go. It's done. It's installed. And it feels like it's not very sturdy. So, I don't know how to, oh, I guess maybe doing this might help. Is that how that works? Yeah, maybe. I'm gonna get a wrench on that and tighten that up, but it looks pretty good. It's really just for looks anyway. I mean, I don't really think this is gonna do all that much, but it looks nice. Jose, Jesus, what just happened?
I left my keys in my car.
Oh, all right, well. I'm sure they're in there.
They are in, no, they're in my trunk actually.
I'm sorry, you did what now?
I put everything in my trunk.
Including your keys.
And I just closed my trunk.
Okay. Good.